Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And now we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on About Tablet. As you can see, on the third position we've got build number, so all you have to do now is keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. As you can see, we are in a developer mode, so we can enter system and updates. And here we've got developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change window animation scale, animator duration scale, we can show surface updates or pointer location. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately applied and activated. Of course, we can turn it off by going back to the feature and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, it is immediately switched off. If you can see the option without the switcher, for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings. Let me get back, and actually that's all. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. As you can see, we just got back to the system and updates. Here we've got the developer options, but we cannot reach them, we cannot enter them. And after changing, for example, to accounts and getting back to the system and updates, you can see that developer options simply disappears. If you'd like to customize them again, nothing easier, just go back to the About Tablet and keep tapping on the build number. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.